Do you need to replace the LCD bezel on your Inspiron 153520? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables and slide out the Wi-Fi card. Then unroute the Wi-Fi antenna cable. Now unsnap the locking tab and disconnect the LCD cable. Now unscrew and lift the right LCD hinge. Next, unscrew and lift the left hinge. Next, separate the LCD display assembly from the palm rest. Now use a plastic scribe to pry off the hinge covering. Then use your fingers to pry apart and remove the LCD bezel. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.